Hi, I'm Charles from the Roche Hair Experience. One thing a lot of my clients ask me is how do they keep their wig looking as good as the day they got it? And it normally comes down to a few simple things. Here's the 3 things I recommend for looking after your wig. Number 1 is how we store the wig. So many people just take their wig off and leave it on the table like this. But the correct way of doing it would be to grab your wig, give it a little brush through at the nape, place your wig on your mannequin head. This ensures that the cap construction stays strong and in shape, and it will prolong the life of your wig. Step 2 is how we brush the wig and why. So we always start at the tip of the hair root and we work our way up to the root. And the reason we do that is if we start at the top and we find a knot and we pull, we could end up pulling the hair out. But this way, working our way up, if we find a knot, we can gently part it and carry on going to the root, avoiding any hair shredding. So step 3 of taking care of our wig is actually using a leave-in conditioner. And how we would do it, we'd spray the leave-in conditioner all over the wig, taking extra care at the nape, and we comb upwards from the tip to the root, and this will take out any knots, leaving it nice and knot-free, ready for the morning. And what's really important in your leave-in conditioner is A, it's got argan oil in, and B, we have actually added a UV protector in our brand, and that helps with any sun damage, avoiding the sun damage by using the UV protector leave-in conditioner. If you follow these simple steps, storing it properly, brushing it properly, and using the leave-in conditioner, this will ensure that your wig looks natural and easy to manage for the foreseeable future.